playing the Vikings. If this game doesn't end in a tie, I'm gonna microwave a fork. Sorry I'm late. I got a new job as a dancing instructor.
We're going to be learning how to do a killer moon walk.
What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to steady yourself. You're going to want to hold out your hand like this to keep your balance. And then you're going to want to... I ordered a pizza. I got Gene Wilder Fruit Loops. I paid with my Visa for some Gene Wilder Fruit Loops. I tried to pull a Hannes Wagner, but it didn't even matter. It was Gene Wilder Fruit Loops. Well, I was trying to keep it 0-0 as far as I could. But now, I'm just going to chase them. Every time they score, I'm going to try to match it. And that's how I'm going to tie it. Slipknot. That's a band. Not a wristband, but an ankle band. That is the half. I sometimes gotta laugh. Because I have a silly taco and Gene Wilder Fruit Loops. Day 2 as a dance instructor went about as good as day 2 as a dance instructor can go.
We're going to be learning how to do a killer mannequin dance.
Give 'em to me. Give me it, give me the Gene Wilder Fruit Loops. Give me the Gene Wilder Fruit Loops. I need the Gene Wilder Fruit Loops in my bowl. I need it like I need another ho-ho. They come to a pack. Swiss cake rolls don't. But they kinda taste better, I don't know, I like Swiss cake rolls and ho-hos evenly. Don't even say I'm sneaky, 'cause it's the truth. They're different things. It's like red fries and Twizzlers and all them things. You purple people eaters, the only purple I need in my life is a box of Frosted Flakes. This is a big first down. This is a huge first down. Fourth down. We need it. We need it. I'm out of time. I need to play right here. I need this to go. Oh, get me it to go. That was poor clock management on my part. Come with me, and you'll be in pure excruciation, 'cause I'm grabbing a screwdriver, I'm putting it in your eyes, and you'll never see who you dirt. Everybody knows that you'll be in the dirt, 6 feet deep like Undertaker. Who are you? My last day as a dancing instructor also got quite violent.
We're going to be learning how to do a killer robot.
I never specified how long I would microwave it. I'm sorry, I don't have renter's insurance. Hold your breath, make a wish, count to 3, come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination. Fruit Loops taste real good with milk, as they should, and I know